I'm Matthew Boot with the Cherokee Division of Forest River, and I'm excited to be coming to you live today from beautiful Topeka, Indiana, to talk to you about the Cherokee Wolf Pup 16BHS and what we're putting on our new limited package. As you can see in the front of our unit, we're doing a full radius aerodynamic front, which will help with towability, and we're also utilizing a high impact aluminum, as you can see here on the line here how thick this is, as opposed to the corrugated metal in a flat front. Moving along to the side, our units are going to have the solar prep. This is very nice, so if you're ever doing boondocking, you will have the ability to plug in your solar panel to charge your batteries. On the inside here, as you can see, we have a ton of storage underneath. This is accessible from the outside storage door here, and also on the inside of the coach, which I'll show you in the interior demo video. You're going to have jacks on all four corners this year with the limited package. Painted baggage door, and also very stylish painted metal in our graphics for styling. You have your external scare light here. In addition, you have your power awning, one touch in and out, blue LED light strip for nice ambiance at night, and then this awning also is going to have the dexterity to come down to get your eyes out of the sun, and then also if you were to leave it out and get a little bit of rain on one side or the other, I always suggest for people to bring it in if you're going to get in high wind or rain situations, especially with having the one touch. As you can see with our door, we have a 26-inch wide door. It is a friction hinge door. We did this last year. It was a big success for us, and we're also going to have it in this year's limited package. And here you're going to see our Cherokee stable step. This gives you a ton of stability getting into your coach. This is new for this year's limited package, and with the grab handle, makes it very easy to get in and out of your unit. Right here, you're going to have your external TV mount and speakers. With the limited package, you get speakers here, and you also get them on the inside for all your entertainment needs and to play your jams. Moving down to the tires here, what you're going to have is a 14-inch mag wheel with the limited package this year. It's an easy lube axle, nitrogen-filled radial tire, and then you also have, with the limited package, the tire pressure indicator valve, which is super nice when you're getting ready and doing your safety check before you go out on the road. You can check that, and if it's gone red, you know you've lost tire pressure. Moving along here to the back of the coach, you're going to see the optional rear rack. This is something that is on this particular unit. The utility rack, you can put up to 200 pounds of cargo on here, anything from coolers, generators, bicycles. I guess if you were to shoot a deer, you could put a deer on the back of it. But standard with the limited package this year, you'll have a spare tire, which will be mounted to the bumper if you decide to get it without the rear rack. Coming here to the Stow and Go Door, this is super nice feature. This is great just for our whole package as far as in the front storage, rear rack availability, and then also here. This folds up, and as you can see, I don't know if you can get in here, but you have a ton of storage, which is really nice. And here's an example. We do use plywood throughout our floors, and you can see it here in the bunk decking. We also, I'll show you this again on the inside, we're using this teddy bear material. Kids are going to love this, and frankly, I like it myself. So, shut this door. Moving on down the line here, this year in the limited package, we're going to have the detachable power cord. This is really nice. It's a marine style cord which screws in here. You can take it out and store it. And also you have an LED indicator on either end, so you know if you're getting juice from the park to your coach. And finally on the outside, here we have in the limited package a 6-gallon direct spark ignition gas and electric hot water heater, which is going to be great for you so you can take a nice long shower. That is the conclusion of the exterior demo of this year's 16BHS Wolf Pup. If you have any more questions or would like to do some more research, feel free to check us out on our website or on social media listed below. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.